Hello students, welcome. Yalan Chik. Then today ngata video lecture series pangata class 12 ngata student page no. Then class 12 ngata book Politics in India since Independence book ngata chapter number 4 bangata no. Then tana chapter vekata lesson number 1 body code no. Then chapter 4 no India's external relation alangata. Yang na India outside countries yana other countries nyampo relation bo kazuk shiga established shows India foreign policy katang after independence chilus tenate lushes enang ko ka chi khat boliptok international environment chi khat laptok domestic environment katang chi khat laptok te samanga ta inang ko silchesano India's external relation enang ko yana Indian foreign policy ngata zana dikton e chapter wala le changma sangala ngata selen international context poche dungata. That means India born chazana, free chazana, global situation buchidu. Global level ka issues buchidu. Ala tenen global level ka chi dul do global ngata politics buchidu. Tenen ngata ha guruk India was born in a very trying and challenging international context. India ke ma difficult international context ka born song zarano. Ma challenging duk trying duk tayu ke ma difficult duk India fe ke test sik dunga ta i international environment. Trying che duk difficult che duk che zana changme sangalata world had witnessed a devastating war. Changme sangala world enong ko war jikchap end song to duk. That means Second World War wakata end song to duk 1945 enong ko. Nyampo and was grappling with the issue of reconstruction. Nyampo world enong ko ata issue chonmo jiduk reconstruction bakazuga chun. World War a devastation bo ketang property loss, human loss, te samay kanangata pingche sepia reconstruction plan bo kazuk siyong go sente kangata issues duldu. Nyampo yet another attempt to establish international body was underway. Nyampo ena time jeka international body somajig establish hoche se ketan serka gozuk sontedu. Yana United Nations was established as circa gozo puketa 1945 vesting ni sontok after the end of the Second World War sontok. इस संगाला इंटरनेशनल बॉडी लीग ऑफ नेशंस एकन जुगतपेन काउ 1920s एनको फॉर्म सॉन्ग बट लीग ऑफ नेशन बो वर्ड इन पीस मेंटेन चो मनन वर्ड एनको सिक्योरिटी मेंटेन चो मनन तेना फेयर आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ द सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर इंटरनेशनल बॉडी समाजिक एस्टैब्लिश होचे से छिरका के तंग रूल दो nyampo tena time jeka many new countries were emerging as a result of the collapse of colonialism. Nyampo enna time jika countries suma mangpo emerge charuk as an independent country. Chezana enna time jika colonialism bo collapse charuk colonialism fail charuk tene colonialism fail chatna colonial countries guneka countries bo ketan colonies larsul dukte sama ketan free chat kya. Tene te countries kau ketan independent song newly independent countries anangka two major challenges ngata thong duk that is the welfare challenge tene democracy challenge kau ketan India thong. Then आता जानो कि Indian foreign policy reflected all these concerns. मतलब global international context है ना global environment है ना को कजुक शिक situation दुक ते विख्यात पोंगति foreign policy का कितना लैब जतनो आता हाँ immediately after the independence हला यूं आता सो international context ते सिनिंग आता सेलना इंडिया खोकना कंसर्न जी गोतपन जनोंगा ग्लोबल कंसर्न बोयुतपन मतलब ते खानन का इंडिया वे कितन खोकना डोमेस्टिक कंसर्न्स कची गोतपन फॉर एग्जांपल apart from these factors at the global level India had its own share of concern global level का इस समा कंसर्न यो ते खानन का इंडिया खोकना शेयर ऑफ कंसर्न जो इंडिया खोकना डोमेस्टिक कंसर्न कची गोत का कंसर्न बोचेतन ब्रिटिश लेफ्ट behind the legacy of many international disputes. That means British India free chose ko international dispute mangpo ketam phang se song zara boundary dispute India China boundary dispute pe ketam ko chose song India Pakistan ketam problem bo ketam ko chose song India ke Pakistan bo ketam partition chose song religion basis ka nyampo nganga tar tangtri nangko poverty elevation ketam challenge ko poverty ketam kazuk se elevate chun poverty ketam kazuk amet kan chun country kazuk develop chun te challenge bo tena zong ki ई ओवरऑल कॉन्टेक्स्ट नंको ई संगमा कॉन्टेक्स्ट नंको ई कॉन्टेक्स्ट संग में बैकग्राउंड नंको ग्लोबल कॉन्टेक्स्ट नंग डोमेस्टिक कॉन्टेक्स्ट संग बैकग्राउंड नंको इंडिया वे केता स्टार्ट जोस्लो पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द वर्ल्ड अफेयर तेने वर्ल्ड अफेयर नंको जुक्सिक बैकग्राउंड नंको पार्टिसिपेट जोस गोजुक जोस एज अ इंडिपेंडेंट नेशन स्टेट hala yung atang song international context napo ngata rang concern khachik tenen gata india we aim buchi borto ngati foreign policy we aim buchi borto tenen gata tonduk as a nation born in the backdrop of the world war chisangatang tozuk sing nation in kyak ka world war a backdrop nan ko born song kyak world war ngatang jab immediately after the second of the world war ngatang as a independent country born song kyak तुझुक शीन पने फल्ला इंडिया डिसाइड चुस किया कि ngati foreign policy का जो conduct चंजना with the aim of respect the sovereignty of all other nation तेन कोने किया कि ngati foreign policy वे aim बो केतां ची ओंगशस नोक respect चुसे sovereignty केतांगला other nation संग में sovereignty आ respect चुचेस बो केतां ngati foreign policy वो aim बो इन जिस किया sovereignty is a supreme power लजरानो ते कंट्री वे इंटरनल अफेयर्स जनों को इंटरफेयर मिचो मतलब नेशन ए सॉवरेनिटी आ कंप्लीट रिस्पेक्ट आन न्यापो ngatang वर्ल्ड पीस मेंटेन चोचे से पे लास्ट जन जस्क्या एना ngati मेजर ऑब्जेक्टिव इन फॉरेन पॉलिसी वे एना फॉरेन रिलेशन जिग एस्टैब्लिश चोचे से ना को ngati ई एम बोकुट ngati फॉरेन रिलेशन ब एस्टैब्लिश जन जच्चा का केतang this aim finds an echo in the directive principles of the state policy tinangata enna aim boala respect the sovereignty of all other nation to respect the sovereignty of all other nation nyampo maintaining peace te ketang ati chathi mena constitution and anko directive principles of the state policy and anko you ketang disteo jetanata clearly just as both internal and external factor guide the behavior of an individual or family tado family yana individual a behavior yana guide yana switch on oxana internal factor da internal da external factor niske guide chon oxana ko behavior ka khat po tena chosla both domestic and international environment influence the foreign policy of a nation tena chosla ngati foreign policy wa ka khat po domestic environment da ngati foreign policy ka khat la bano nyampo international environment da ngati foreign policy ka khat le bano sarano that means while making foreign policy ngatang foreign policy chozana I foreign policy ka domestic situation bo kazuk shiduk te vikhyat pangati foreign policy ka thongano then international situation mo kazuk shiduk te vikhyat pangati foreign policy ka thongano zarano you kata chano hala both domestic and international environment influence the foreign policy of a nation tesini tangate stana ki developing countries guni ngatang goal bo kazuk shikbortu tene khone goal bo ketam ma modest goal bortok mang sang goal chonno bora miru world power gurche se goal bo ketam gor khone bora mindu gala che bora miru developing countries lack the required resource to effectively advocate their concern in the international system sangme sangal lata developing countries laga resource khonang bo mindu khonang boni concern bo issue bo problem bo international system enang ko effectively borche se pe ketan resource khonang bo mindu halang ata pene में दो political power में दो economic power में दो so tenapia so they pursue more modest goal than the advanced state tenapia ketang khone chero advanced countries sang ma modest goal chun bodu kone goal wo in advanced countries sang chun do chunse do kone khonge advanced countries soxla major goal chun ma bora me for example world power gurches te chokse ketang goal bo bora me rok zetna ata so guni developing countries guni tesini takone focus pochi duk they focus more on peace kon focus among say peace and development eka in their own neighborhood kokona neighborhood in amka konja ke ngata jalak chun khachi ka focus and peace ka focus and development ngata na neighborhood ka namko development ka focus ten jacha moreover their economic and security dependence on more powerful states occasionally influence their foreign policy tado ko khonang goni foreign policy khonang bo su influence shuru powerful states gon influence shuru powerful countries gon influence shuru that means ko khonang goni foreign policy o ketan powerful states gon ketan guide chu atya khone decide chu atya khone foreign policy developing countries a foreign policy o ketan powerful countries gon decide chu atya che decide cho kya che na in developing countries gun laga resource kunang bo met pa kong economically dang security with terms nang kwa powerful states ka depend cha kya hala yu ngata song developing countries bo ketang ka ketang depend duk ngata su gun ka powerful states gun ka veja se ketang kon foreign policy khonang bo powerful states gun guide churu gala tenna veja se ketang I ngata dependence on the powerful countries beka just world khonang bo two camps enang ko divide song jara ngata world bo two groups enang ko divide song ata chamena ko two camps enang ko divide song in the period immediately after the end of the second world war many developing countries nation chose to support the foreign policy preference of the powerful countries who were giving aid yana credit tada developing countries ka ketang second world war is sine ketang free song te yongs independent song te yongs khong chi jo so khong chi ki powerful countries a foreign policy preference bo kazuk shik du tinna foreign policy preference langa ta support chun ja kya hala for example USA foreign policy preference bo ketan liberalism yana capitalism inna khong ja kya king ata ena nyam po chan liberalism na capitalism support chen hala yu hagoma gole matlab khonga zedo ki ngatang developing nation guni zedo ki ngatang powerful nation guni khonga kazuk shik sambado khone kazuk shik stawado tena stawala ngatang support chinala chezana che ka stawala support chen ta su support chen na su kho aid tang gala for example kalte US kho aid financial aid tang yadna credit charna kho US foreign policy foreign policy preference la support jo kya kalte USSR te country aid ta na teni USSR foreign policy preference ba ketan kone ketan chi jo kya support jo kya hala enna ve ketang system be ena it se ketang environment chicken angko this resulted in the division of countries of the world into two clear camp enna veja se ketang world countries sangma two groups yana camps yana ko divide song one under the influence of the USA group chichi kaw ketang US influence yana ko yot yana kola western allies erano yang other was under the influence of the Soviet Union kaw ketang te jana Soviet Union the then Soviet Union matlab daksa Soviet Union but dissolve song te mitya hala izuk shi group enang ko division song zatong ada two camps enang ko hala te sene ta India ketang ko zuk shik ngata ngata global level ka developing countries lambong atna thos developing countries achi chos kone ketang powerful countries a foreign policy preference la support tans tena kachi ke US support tans kachi ke USSR support tans ka veja se ketang world konang bo group ni senang ko divide song ta ka tinga ta India tana India chi chos when India achieved its freedom and started framing its foreign policy cold war was just beginning tena ta India nam independent India rawang thop jana tene India foreign policy ketang frame chooses ketang gozuk chojana cold war ketang chap start song tukya cold war was just beginning hala the world was getting divided into these two camps tene world khonang bo group ni senang ko divide chen du tene question jigre sharup did India belong to any these two camps in the global politics of the 50s and 60s tene India e camp ni senang ni e group ni senang ni ka camp nang ko belong churote question bo yana camp nang ko belong churo ga chaw mirukte be question bo 50s and 60s nang ko te group nang ni India ka group nang ko belong churote so question raise shuru yana was it successful in conducting its foreign policy peacefully yana India ko na foreign policy o peacefully conduct choices nang ko transfer samalus ko problem chions yang nyampo ko international conflict po avoid chana yana manyan te samanga ta da sa detail na ko silchesano hala te sininga ta if pyanga ta sangma sangala selen the policy of non-alignment that the policy is a policy charji non-alignment non jana not alignment su nyampong align me churches group neither USA group enangko michaches USSR group enangko michaches a policy wa non-alignment jono ata the policy of non-alignment kauketa India follows after the independence tayung ata silna sama sangala ata backdrop chiksilen worldwide struggle against the colonialism that the Indian national movement was not an isolated process ala sama sangala jano ki ngati national movement po isolation jignang kodula met pen hala Eugene pen it was a part of the worldwide struggle against the colonialism and imperialism yu ketang worldwide ngan ko jambuling gang pe nang ko colonialism dang imperialism e khilaf la struggle chakane ketang part chekin chutongata. That means we were part of the worldwide struggle ngatang worldwide struggle e part ching kya ngati independence movement po worldwide struggle e ketang part ching kya ka world na ngochi struggle du colonialism dang imperialism bo end chuche struggle bo ketang jambuling gang pe nang ko dole kya tena ve khak po ketang indian national movement in jotong ngata tena ve part chik atang isolated man kya. It influenced the liberation movements of many African and Asian countries. Tenang atara national movements e ketang ngatan chi just influential chi nang kwa liberation movements e nang kwa kaw ketang Asia dang Africa nang ko yong. African countries mang pe nang kwa Asian countries mang pe nang kwa liberation movements po ketang India can inspire song to yong to ngata. Prior to independence ngata 1947 sangala there were contact between the nationalist leaders of India and those of other countries. This ngata Indian nationalist leaders and freedom fighter leaders tang young countries and ko some sig leaders ukte samay bala ketang contact chidulat manjara ngata deal jigdulat kya relation jikte jana yot panjata ngata united as they were in their common struggle against the colonialism and imperialism. Tete ko samay ketang united yoten chinang kwa common struggle ke khilaf lang kwa colonialism dang imperialism ke khilaf la common struggle nang kwa khong united ang yoten jitno ngata hala ngata inang ko ngata chi sils ngata ha go ki indian national movement po isolated process se man kya मतलब यू केतांग पार्ट इन क्या वर्ल्ड वाइड स्ट्रगल है पार्ट चिकिन क्या हक चिकिन क्या ngata वर्ल्ड वाइड स्ट्रगल का केतांग ची खिलाफ ला colonialism dang imperialism के खिलाफ ला तेसने interplay of domestic and external factors. The foreign policy of a nation reflect the interplay of domestic and external factors. That means use ki ngati foreign policy wo influence jionok domestic factors dang external factors niske kane influence jionok zarano hala. That means foreign policy is a combination ala foreign policy is influenced by both domestic and external factors. मतलब foreign policy का निसके ख्यात लेवानो domestic factors एक ख्यात मां foreign policy का लेवानो नंपो external factors एक ख्यात मां foreign policy का ले बचतनो तेना फिर जनो foreign policy is a interplay आला इन निसके interplay चिवे domestic तंग external factors है. Therefore the noble ideals that inspired India's freedom struggle influenced the making of foreign policy. hala tinanga sangma sangala ngati freedom struggle wo ka noble ideas one inspire shows. For example, democracy, freedom, liberty, unity, equality. Te sangma ala ka katangati freedom struggle inspire shows tenna ve katangati foreign policy making and angko influence shows jatna. But India's attainment of independence coincided with the beginning of the Cold War era. तो but kalting आता इंडिया वे इंडिपेंडेंस अटेन चुसे से कहता आता पीरियड पोस्ता ना तेना आता जनो कि तेना पीरियड ए नंकुआ तेना टाइम जेके नंकुआ वर्ड नंकुआ कोल्ड वार जेकन बो बिगिन सो कोल्ड वार काउ कहता टू बिग पावर्स यूएसए दंग यूएसएसआर वाला कहता गुजुक सो तो तेने दिस पीरियड वाज मार्क्ड बाय पॉलिटिकल economic and military confrontation at the global level between the two blocs led by superpower USA and USSR. Then enna period enangkwa political, economic tang military confrontation zigmo chukta ngata confrontation conflict charuk at the global level ngata pura jambuling gang pe danla su se bala charuk between two block ni se barla charuk tene block chijik po USA led charuk tene yang block chik po USSR led charuk hala. That means USSR dang USA barla confrontation ma mampu charuk zatong ata ina time chika political confrontation charuk economic confrontation charuk barla military confrontation charuk hala. Tesini inna period enangko same period enangko ngata tong to United Nations established song to hala. After the end of the Second World War ngata chi song to UNO as a international government international body का वे कहता पीस मेंटेन चुचे से कहता आता ए में खाने यूएन एस्टैब्लिश करो वर्ड इन को न्यूक्लियर वेपन व कहता क्रिएशन सॉन्ग चाहते दो तेने कम्युनिस्ट चाइना एमर्ज करो करना टाइम जे कहना को तेने एना टाइम जिन को डीकोलोनाइजेशन ang saruk मतलब colonialism bo end charuk तेने countries mangpo free charuk independent gyurdu. So India's leadership had to pursue its national interests within the prevailing international context. तो एना विपिया ngati leaders sangma ngata na national interest pang ketang pursue chogos achieve chogos but e prevailing international context kenang kwa e boundaries kenang kwa ngata ra international interest pa ketang pursue chogos atya kaga so da ngati leaders sangma ulla tesini ta ngati foreign policy nang kwa sangme some major role sangme some dominating role ba ketang sweep play chos jana to ngata Nehru play chos jarno kawa ketang India ve first prime minister ayin kya first foreign minister ayin kya hala the first prime minister Jawaharlal Nehru played a crucial role in setting the national agenda yana foreign policy konang bo ngati foreign policy konang bo set choche senang kwa decide choche senang kwa yana national agenda decide choche senang kwa sangme sang dominating role bo yana crucial role important role bo Nehru play chos atano che play chos chesana he was his own foreign minister kokona foreign minister and that means okay portfolio news korte kya first as a prime minister second as a foreign minister thus both as the prime minister and the foreign minister he exercised profound influence in the formulation and implementation of India's foreign policy from 1946 to 64 tena fepia first as a prime minister etsurla nyampo foreign minister etsurla koi ngati foreign policy formulation enangkwa yana foreign policy choices enangkwa nyampo implementation enangkwa namne nam chukpa 46 ne 64 chukpa ma profound influence play chose atnangata that means ngati foreign policy largely yana majorly Nehru guide jo atya Nehru decide jo atya hala tesini ta Nehru foreign policy ve objective poche dukjana Nehru foreign policy ve nangko three major objective of the Nehru foreign policy do then first objective boduk to preserve the hard earned sovereignty sangme sangalla ngati freedom bo kaw ketang ma kaxpo jinam po mane mato hard earned gate kanang ko ketang sacrifice mang potong to preserve chuche sangma sang first objective pono ngata rang freedom bo ketang preserve chuches ngata na independence bo ketang preserve chuches yana sovereignty u preserve chuches secondly ngati territorial integrity protect chuches yangna ngata rang country united borches you further divide chame chuches po ngati territory daksa kazuk sidu tenna territorial integrity maintain chuches you further divide chame chuches po ketang second objective po ketang ngati Nehru foreign policy bo then third yang ngata important objective change kya rapid economic development ngala ngata chi choices ngata rang country nang kwa economic development po ketang promote choices ka ketang rapidly promote choices enna sanka en kya ngata three major objective of Nehru's foreign policy hala Nehru wished to achieve these objectives through the strategy of non-alignment ta Nehru sankhya ki ngati objective po sumyot then is sumka ngati kazuga achieve chon jana kong askya ngata is sumke pia ngata chi chon non alignment te foreign policy ngata follow chon ka strategy we nangjin ngata I goal sanka achieve chon ja ngata objective of Nehru's foreign policy tado Nehru leaning bola ngata kalte ngata na Nehru switch hoga mangche ke tang ko leaning atya matlab camp nis se nangne probably US camp tang USSR camp nis ke nangni Nehru ve ideological leaning bo switch hoga yot kyak jana mangchet po ke tang USSR choga yot then US a pro US faction bo Indian anko met kya gaya yana US support jo kan te jana Indian anko met pena jana te jana ko pro US group chiga Indian anko yot pen ka ko nazar tan ki Indian foreign policy ho US sok se ngo shes no ngata US friendly foreign policy chogo shes no se kan group chiga yot pen jetno there were of course parties or groups in the country that believed that India should be more friendly with the bloc led by the USA because that bloc claimed to be pro-democracy. Tai nangko ngati India nangko groups yana mi kachi kya parties kachi kya kaun ja kya ki India USA friendly foreign policy US friendly bloc chikala India should be India kazuk siyong washes ngata US friendly bloc chigur washes ngata US friendly nation gurgosong ata US na relation gyara borgosno ches borgosno zena khona zerat kya ki US po democracy ngata support jogalno pro democracy group cheno tena pe ngata pro US chagosno yana US friendly ngata nation ji gurgosno zetkya ta yu sambatangkan bo ketang major jiksu in pendana Dr. B.R. Ambedkar bo enna chokse ketang ngata pro US group che ketang proponent che kitmen jano among those who thought on these lines were leaders like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. मतलब Dr. B.R. Ambedkar वो pro US friendly India US friendly young wasanok sekane ketang group e nangkuni belong choya. Some political parties which were opposed to communism also wanted India to follow a pro US foreign policy. तेना जो political parties खची काउ केतंग communism में खिलाफ तो ना communalism रा पोषरू तेने खोना जायत कि India केतंग pro US foreign policy adopt जो वशस्तो ताई नांगने काउ तो for example भारतीय जनसंघ दक्षिणादा BJP वेंगता रूट्स पर केता ना खनी ono तेने स्वतंत्र पार्टी हला ई संघ ई पार्टी निष्के चीज रख्या मतंग pro US foreign policy यों वशस्तो but Nehru possessed considerable leeway influence in formulating foreign policy but Nehru laga foreign policy formulate choices nang ko Nehru be ketan influence be ketan sama poyet panjarano tena be pe ketan atang ngati foreign policy be leaning bo first decade of independence nang ko USSR choga leaning ji gut kyang ata to the distance from the two camps. The foreign policy of independent India vigorously pursued the dream of a peaceful world by advocating the policy of non-alignment. hala the Indian foreign policy ve nangkwa foreign policy ve dream jigat penala ka dream buchi in pen peace world buketa peaceful world jikatan ka jok shiga chen then India is checking ata peaceful world jikchen ka joga by advocating the policy of non-alignment. Non-alignment a foreign policy advocate choste sangma spread choste tene world po katangata peaceful chance kyangata by reducing Cold War tension and by contributing human resources to the UN peacekeeping operation. Yang kazugachan matang Cold War tension konang bo reduction matang United Nations peacekeeping operation enang ko human resource ngatarang contribution jiktan ngata milam chugante nang ko India wanted to keep away from the military alliance led by the USA and Soviet Union against each other. यहाँ पे ngata India से जरा क्या किंग ngata निस्के military alliance करने थकने अंदुक जैसे नो. For example, USA military alliance and angko ngata chechas manok USA Soviet Union military alliance and angko ngata chechas manok we would be keeping away from the military alliance ala. For example, USA keta military alliance chen pen NATO in pen then Soviet Union keta Warsaw in pen kao ketang Cold War time je kayongs India we ketanchi advocated non-alignment as the ideal foreign policy approach. Then India said ki izukshik environment enang ko non-alignment po foreign policy approach po ketang best non-alignment po ketang ati foreign policy approach yong wishes zaid kya. Then ala janong distance from the two camps. तो एक बैलेंसिंग वाला आता यूएस पो कहता यूएसएसआर निस्का न्याम्पो परचेस पो बैलेंस नंको परचेस पो मा डिफिकल्ट बैलेंसिंग एक्ट चेंज किया तो तेन हमको प्रॉब्लम हम पो यूज किया फॉर एग्जांपल दिस वाज डिफिकल्ट बैलेंसिंग एक्ट एंड समटाइम द बैलेंस डिड नॉट अपीयर परफेक्ट तो ई बैलेंसिंग एक्ट पो मतलब यूएस ना यूएसएसआर निस्का डंडा जगह परचेस पो कहता सुई नंको में चेस वाला मतलब निस्का अपोज बाला सुई गलत जो है ना निस्का अपोज ते बैलेंसिंग एक्ट को यू कितना डिफिकल्ट चिंगन क्या तेने बार लगे ता ये बैलेंसिंग बगता परफेक्ट छा मत क्या बार लंगा ता तो क्या कि यूएसएसआर छोगा लीनिंग चरो जकन बंगति फॉरेन पॉलिसी न को तोंग छा क्या फॉर एग्जांपल तेना तो से कितना नाम सोंग तो 1956 से नंको ब्रिटेन ने इजिप्ट ला अटैक चोसोक स्विस कैनाल क्राइसिस से काला तेने इंडिया लेड द वर्ल्ड प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट द न्यू colonial invasion tene India ke tante khilaf la protest kya tene kon India is kya ki tangata neo colonialism yongdo you ke tan neo colonial invasion Egypt la invade just no tena fe India ke tan protest kya but tena year ko 1956 ko USSR Hungary invade just kya Hungary ke tangata attack just kya but India tena ko chang public condemnation jing machos kya public protesting machos kya kazwa ke tan Suez Canal crisis na ko chos hala ta ina ko ta thomra मतलब यूएस फैक्शन है चितों गलत चीज ना इंडिया अपोज रहा बट यूएसएसआर जो ना अपोज मेरा तेना फे के ता खचे गस क्या कि ता इंडिया ओ प्रो यूएसएसआर गते दो Despite such a situation, by and large, India take an independent stand on various international issues and could get aid and assistance from the members of the both bloc. So by and large, itu sih kita chun mampo song balancing act nang ko bala difficulties mampo yung, but by and large, India we kita ko na stand ba hamesha independent boards ato ng international issues ekat sam nam stand nang ko sa na ko independent stand board atyak sui pressure nang ko yamet kya. Nyampo ko aid and assistance po niske lagne to. US ang kitang ko financial aid na atyak, USSR ang kitang financial aid na atyak. Hala difficult balancing act. Tesini kule India tang US relation enang ko unease nang yana problem emerge to start something. चे संख्या चेजना यूएस समझ क्या कि इंडिया वो प्रो यूएसएसआर फॉरेन पॉलिसी एडॉप्ट चरुक तेना वजह से कहता हूँ खून इसके रिलेशन ना को अत्यधिक टेंशन डेवलप संख्या सो इसके बला इंडिया तंग यूएस रिलेशन है बला. While India was trying to convince the other developing countries about the policy of non-alignment, Pakistan joined US-led military alliances. तब इंडिया कहता यंग कंट्रीज सम कन्विंस किया कि नॉन अलाइनमेंट पॉलिसी को कहता एडॉप्ट जस यू ठीक नो एनांगति फॉरेन पॉलिसी योंगोशस नक्स द एडवोकेट जो क्या जगह समय नंको बट इंडिया खोकोना नेबरहुड नंको अंगाता नेबर जिक पाकिस्तान अला काव कहता यूएस मिलिट्री अलायंस नंको ज्वाइन चुस क्या हलाल मतलब ngata na never nangko Pakistan chichus ngata ta US military alliance po join chus ta do US po India nyampo happy met pen India nyampo keta angry yot pen ala ngata che pen because about India's independent initiative and the policy of non-alignment. US po India ve independent initiative nankan sama ketang khong tha da metya nyampo ngati for non-alignment foreign policy bong US po ketang te kan agree cho metya khong te kai khong za tya ki non-alignment manok you ketang USSR a group chi kinok za tya khong. Therefore, there was considerable unease in the Indo-US relation between during 1950s. Tenna pia ki enna time jaga 1950s enangko India dang US relation nangko unease mangpo yana conflict mangpo yang tension mangpo develop. US also resented India's growing partnership with the Soviet Union. Nyampo India keta US keta chi jo atya India dang Soviet Union a partnership ka keta grow chen cha atya tenna la US keta oppose jo atya resent jo atya hala tenna enok unease in the Indo-US relation nam song to 1950s enako hala tenna ngata dring enna ka ngata continue ngata ena ka engine dring ngata section ngata revise shona ala ngata dring ngata sel tenok ngata chapter number 4 India's external relation ala then in sile sangala ngata sales India independent cha zana international context pochi tunga tang sales then ngata hago international context po ma difficult duk challenging duk world war jik kata daksa chap end song to duk then ngata independent countries mangpo being duk hala then ngata domestic problem khachik duk partition a problem duk international dispute mangpo duk poverty elevation a problem duk each of se kita overall context enang kwa each of se background che enang kwa Indian foreign policy kita frame churches pa kita start song then Indian foreign policy we aim bochonslo to respect the sovereignty of all the other nation ba kita ngati foreign policy we aim ji ginoklo nyampo world peace maintain churches pa kanti foreign policy we aim lo then ngata young countries gunesta na khong foreign policy khong kita ngata kazuk shi goal ji ngata adopt churuk na modest goal ji adopt churuk kone kita ma goal chunmo ji adopt cha amiro nyampo I developing countries gun ketang ata chido khong ketang powerful countries gun ketang khong foreign policies po mang chit po ketang powerful countries ketang ata shuldo che jana khong economically dang security with terms enang ko I powerful countries ka depend do ka veja se ketang khong foreign policy bo ketang se decide charu yana US se decide charu yana USSR decide charu enna veja se ketang world bo ketang ata group ni se nang ko divide song hala che jana che jorugi nang ko developing nations gun chi jok powerful countries the foreign policy preference la support jo kya kone yana ta swika visu support jan jana swi khong ho aid tando kalte khong aid pa ketan US ta atna teni US foreign policy preference la support jo ches kalte USSR ta na USSR foreign policy preference support jo ches pa ketan khong jo kya enna veja se ketan world khonang bo two groups enang ko divide song two camps enang ko divide song chiche po USA camp kala western alliance yang che po ketan US Soviet Union camp then India cheduzna tenanga thondo ki India boketa independent cha jana foreign policy frame choices boketa gozuk chozana tena time jaga cold war begins sontedu tena world konang bo two camps enang ko divide sontedu hala tene India ve ketang ta foreign policy ve nang kwa non alignment policy ji on to tene even sangal lang atang sales ngatang background jik tene ngata ha go ki national movement po ngati national movement po isolated process shikma noklo ngata yo ketang ata global struggle against colonialism dang imperialism ketang ata part chikino tene ngatang ha go ki ngati foreign policy wo ketang chino interplay of domestic and external factors hala domestic and external actors hala मतलब इतनी foreign policy वो इसके can influence जानो domestic factors can influence जानो external factors can influence जानो तेरे ngata एक word enam kuchi chi chaten UN establish chaten वो ते समझते नेहरू role वो ngata dominating role तेरे ngata हागो कि नेहरू foreign policy वे objective चिदु जना ये three major objective दो संगमे संगालता ngati sovereignty याना independence पोकेतम protect churches ngati territorial integrity protect churches rapid economic development churches po tenengati Indian angko pro US group poketan so reduk enangko Dr. B.R. Ambedkar tenengata Bharatiya Jana Sangh Swatantra Party gune jado kingatam US friendly yongoshes no ngati foreign policy poketan mangchet poketan US nem pocho goshes no zakan bokong jado tenengata ngati foreign policy ve yang aim check distance from the two blocks langata camp miske khane thakre antuk chese foreign policy kalangata non alignment hang jono hala tenengata barla ketna I difficulty alangata balancing act poketan barla kaspo chat yaklo mata kaspo songkyaklo chesangata 1956 nang ko Suez Canal crisis nang ko song tenengata 1956 nang ko USSR de Hungary invade choste sang nang ko ala tena unease in the Indo-US relation nang ko the problem keta mer chat yak ena kanga tandren kan ata entron tena next lesson nyampo ko spajalen thank you